are you leaving?
Oh yeah, no, they're African. I know, isn't that cool?
Isn't that cool?
No, they're African.
There's two types, Arctic and African.
Those are
They're
cool.
both A's though.
Don't they have penguins in it?
It's cute.
No,
The Arctic.
Arctic.
And the not the Antarctic. The Arctic.
Just the Arctic, not the Antarctic.
This is cool. They're just gonna do the personal
What?
I know, see?
I am listening.
So that is always did a Christmas ornament.
I like this. It's supposed to be like gingerbread. Look at the cheese.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I like these. Oh, look at this. Tell Daddy. Daddy, come here. That's cool. Look.
Yeah, I saw them.
That's neat. I like this.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That's cool. That's really cool. Isn't that neat? There's a nice Christmas present for Mommy.
Did you have an angel?
I
No,
got
I
her
said
one
this
last
one.
year.
I said this. Yeah, I got an angel, but I said that. Isn't that cool? Anything that's nice? That's cute, this whole scene. See, you know, like on Sunday, the one we
I like our traditional one.
Well, I mean, the bigger one is like the camel legs are broken. One of the
I'll make them new
wise
legs.
men's are broken.
Yeah.
There's just several broken pieces.
You can put slip on it.
What can you do?
I can make ceramic legs for him, and then I can put some slip on.
Sure. Put that on our list to do, Ree, okay? List of artwork to finish.
Just get them.
There you go.
Oh, these are cool. Look at this.
Oh, the one
Check
kid
this.
in my.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Oh, this is cool. Smell that one. You like that? Daddy, look, the soap. Is that not cool? Look at
This
that.
is kind of nice.
Yeah.
It smells very sweet.
The one kid, the art class.
Cool.
The one who I
Yeah,
said
smell.
he did a good job, the gun kid.
Uh-huh.
Because my professor, what he did was he like clicked he poked out the eye of the background so he could see how we were clipping and